What are you doing, buddy?
Yeah, I'm gonna get a golf, but I got the golf club. I gotta finish the golf club.
So Daddy's gonna bring something. Whoa! Say thank you. Archie, say thank you. Say thank you.
Don't drop it off the edge again. No.
Archie.
Archie, no.
You drop it, you don't get it back this time.
No. Archie, no.
It's gonna go bye-bye.
No. Thank you.
Archie. Daddy said you're not getting it back.
No. No. It's not a game.
Said it is to me.
You stand up already.
And now I'm getting real
Pants all
so
dirty.
they have to leave me sitting forever in the bathtub.
Getting your pants all dirty.